Hello, friends. Hope you are all doing well. So glad to come back with a new video today. And today is a special day because it's World MSME Day. So, those who know what is MSME, I won't explain for them, but there are viewers who may be not knowing what is MSME. So, for them, yes, I'll take a little bit of explanation. Before that, I want to wish everybody from the MSME industry a very happy World MSME Day. It's really fantastic to have this industry as a big support. Worldwide, there are MSMEs. I am from India. So, in India, MSMEs are a really big segment. I will explain that as well. So, before I go into that, I'll explain for those who do not know what is MSME. So, MSME is that sector of the industries, okay, which are called micro, small, and medium enterprises. So, MSME stands for micro, small, and medium enterprises. So, it means those manufacturing units, those companies which are not big corporates or conglomerates or MNCs, as we call it, multinational corporations, no, but they are micro companies, they are medium scale companies. Their turnover may not be as large as something which is worldwide, but they would have offices in different locations as well, apart from the location which they are actually registered or they are manufacturing. So, these sort of companies in this industry, in the MSME industry, are not very small as well. There are several small companies, but there are medium scale as well, and the medium scale are actually quite large enough. As I said, they may be having offices in different countries as well, different cities. So, why is the MSME industry so important, and how am I associated with it? So, I have been associated with the MSME industry myself working from the year 2008 or 2009. That's when I started working in this industry. Also, if you watch my Father's Day video, so my father, he was also working in a private proprietorship which would come under MSME. So I'm not very sure if we termed it MSME earlier as well, but yes, it falls under MSME. So I have seen him also doing his job in a small business. And as I said, from 2008 to 2009, I myself am associated with this industry. So through my work, I'm not a direct manufacturer. I was not a direct manufacturer. So, but I, through my work, used to support these companies. So we used to support them through helping them promote themselves, market themselves, through brand building, in their marketing ways and other things. So this is my contribution to this sector. And if you watch few of my videos, you'll know I worked across various segments. I worked in advertising, I worked in trade fairs, in the MICE industry, events, trade fairs. So MSME was a very big part for us, and it was the main part. We used to work with corporates as well, which are like big MNCs, but the MSME played the major contribution for us. So I'm very proud to be a part of this industry, and even the MICE industry was also an MSME unit. Hence, we were directly also part of this industry. So I am very honored and glad to be a part of this industry because it was my bread and butter. Also, if you notice my videos and you watched it, then you will understand that I'm not in a job currently, but I'm doing freelancing and part time work and I'm also creating some of my own products. So the freelancing and part-time work that I'm doing, I'm working in collaboration with these MSME companies. So if you want to know what is my product line, you can go through my catalog which I've uploaded. It's called my product catalog. You can go through, you'll get an idea of what I'm doing. And I'll be making future videos, detailed videos on exactly each of the product lines. So if you're interested, you can stay tuned. You'll get a better idea and understanding about these industry segments, etc. So as I said, now currently I am working in collaboration with the MSME industry. So I am some are my like I have few manufacturers who are manufacturing for me my products. Some I'm making on my own as well, and many of the company's products I'm also marketing. So this is how I am currently associated with this industry. So I thank this industry for supporting me even at this time when I don't have a full-time job. Still the industry is supporting me and being there for me. So that really helps me mentally. I know that at least there is a opportunity, like there is a work opportunity that I can reach out to this industry, and this industry will help and stand by me. Because if you go to a multinational corporation or a big company, they may have many terms and conditions to associate with them or to work with them. But it's much easier, I tell you friends, to work with the MSME industry. Do let me know, are you from this industry or are you working with the MSME industry? So what's your feedback? What's your experience? I have a very good experience, so no complaints on that. And yes, for those who are looking to enter this industry in terms of in terms of business, it's very easy. As I said, I'm from India, so it's very easy to register your company as a MSME. There is a portal. If you want to know what's the portal, I can share that. I'm not a consultant or anything for this, but since I have done it and I know about this, so I can share that information if you're interested. It's very simple to register and start off as an MSME. Also, if there are women getting into it, then what I understand is there would be some incentives for women as well. So one can check that out. The government and the Ministry of MSME always keeps having different, you can say, supportive programs for this industry. So one can always keep in touch and understand if they are joining this industry, and you can join related groups and associations and networking for your business. So this is for business. Those who are looking for jobs, this is a huge industry. What I read somewhere online, this is from a government statistic, that around 55 crore people are over 55 crore people are employed in this industry. So you can just imagine how many people are getting jobs. So MSME industry is diverse. If you have the skill set, you can apply even if you're not specifically skilled. For example, if it's a technical MSME company, you don't have the technical skill or the technical education, you can apply even for general jobs like accountancy, sales, etc. They might be open to it, so you can try. One major benefit of working with MSME or in an MSME company as an employee, which I found, was that in India, many of them are like private proprietorships, MSME. They might be the other forms as well, but mostly they are this format. So they also during Diwali time they give bonus, you know. So I used to be very excited. One company I worked with was giving me bonus during Diwali. So thank you so much for that. I really appreciate it, because when I went to work with an MSME, MNC, sorry, I found that they were not giving the Diwali bonus. So it's quite a nice thing, I feel. Plus, MSMEs have, they would be Of course, MNCs as well need to follow the legal laws and rules, so they can't evade that. But they have to also follow the international guidelines, right? Because they are an international company and the headquarters is somewhere else, so they have to follow that. So this is a plus and minus as well. We can discuss this in a future video. But MSME, since they would be from your home country where you are, so they would actually be a little more, I would say, not all of them, but they might be a little more lenient. So it's a good idea if you're planning to apply for a job in this industry. I would encourage it. And this is the backbone. Almost 50% of India's exports are from MSME sector. So just imagine, almost 50%. That's a huge number. So this is the contribution of the MSME sector to the economy. So if you are a part of this, then you are part of this contribution as well. So yes, it's very exciting, and on World as MSME Day, I thought let me give a short video on this and say hello to all who I know from this industry. Hope you're all doing well, and thank you so much that I'm still a part of it. And anyone wants to reach out, if for a long time I've not been in touch for any purpose or anything like that, so do reach out. I'm still open to new collaborations and working with the MSME industry. So reach out to me. Let's see how we can work together further. Thank you so much, friends, for watching. Have a nice day.